Florence Nightingale is known as the woman who saved lives, but she was also obsessed with counting the dead. During the Crimean War, British soldiers weren't dying from wounds. They were dying from infection and poor sanitation. Nightingale began recording each death by cause, location, date, and age. Then she turned these numbers into powerful visual charts. Her most famous, the Rose diagram, a vivid circular chart that made it clear far more soldiers were dying from disease than battle. She once said, "The dead speak to me through numbers." Her data reached the British Parliament and even the Queen. Thanks to her, the Army's death rate dropped from 42% to just 2%. Florence Nightingale didn't just care for the living, she listened to the dead so that others might survive.